Welcome back to part 5 of our TV watch list project in Symfony. We're creating a Symfony application to just show off some of the basics of Symfony. And so far in the first 4 parts of this series, we've set up a Symfony application. We've added a user element and a login and logout tools. We've added other entity types for our watch list. And then we put some sample data in the database, and we built a template and an output system to display our watch list data so that we can keep track of the shows we're watching. Again, this is not going to be a full-fledged application, just enough to kind of show the basics of how entities work in Symfony, how Symfony works. And now, rather than write a bunch of code by hand, we're going to jump in and use the Easy Admin bundle. And the Easy Admin bundle is going to give us our administrative dashboards and backend code to edit these entity types, again with a very minimal amount of coding. So we'll start by installing the Easy Admin bundle into our application. So here we are in a terminal session inside our Docker container, which has the environment and everything we need to do to run these steps. And so we are going to composer require Easy Corp Easy Admin bundle to install this bundle and get ready to go. After the installation completes, let's go ahead and commit our changes so that we've got a nice clean repository for our own custom work. Like everything else in Symfony, we could start writing custom code from here. But Easy Admin bundle adds some things to our Symfony console so we can let the system write our code for us. If we follow the link here in the documentation to create our first dashboard, we'll see that it's simply a matter of running make admin dashboard to get our first dashboard created. The default controller name is fine. It can go in this directory. And let's take a quick look to see what files got added. Looks like we just have a new directory, source controller admin, and that contains our new dashboard controller. It said we can just go to /admin and we should have an administrative option now in our site. So let's see what we have. This link doesn't work yet. We'll fix that in a second. We'll go to /admin. And sure enough, we now have a new dashboard. It doesn't do anything except give us links to the documentation and some other information, but it was that easy to get this started. Let's jump into our code really quick and fix the menu. We'll uncomment the path that we set up in advance for admin. And now if we go back and refresh our page, our admin link should work, and sure enough it does. We could leave this welcome message here, but I'd rather go ahead and clean it up a little bit. So let's see what it would take to make our own template. So we can jump into the code here and create a new admin.html.twig template, and we're going to extend Easy Admin page content. And if you want to put content on this page, the content should go in block main. As an example here, I'm just going to add a paragraph. I'm just going to add a paragraph that says admin dashboard content goes here. We come back to our dashboard controller. We want to turn off this return for the parent index and enable this one that calls our template. We'll change the path here to match our admin template. And let's refresh our page. And here we are, dashboard, admin dashboard goes here. We now have our dashboard in place. Let's jump back and clean up this code that we no longer need. Now that we've set up a page template, let's jump into Configure Dashboard and also fix the title on that page. We'll just change it to TV Watch List, and when we come back around now, we'll see that that fixed our title here. Again, let's go ahead and save our work before we move on to the last step of this project, which is to add some CRUD controllers so we can manage our entities. Setting up Easy Admin was fairly simple and easy. And in the last video of this series, I'll cover how to add CRUD controllers so that we can edit the entity types that we have created for this project. Thanks for watching.